Hello, my friends. Gather round, and let me transport you back to a time before the soothing hum of desk fans filled our offices and homes. Picture this. It's the late 19th century, a time when sweltering summers were endured with little more than handheld fans and wishful thinking. But, as they say, necessity is the mother of invention. And oh, what a marvelous invention was about to unfold. Our story begins in the bustling streets of Schenectady, New York, where a brilliant inventor named Schuyler Skaats Wheeler was hard at work. The year was 1886, and the world was on the cusp of a technological revolution. Electricity was no longer just a scientific curiosity, but a burgeoning force ready to change lives. Wheeler, a man with a knack for tinkering and a mind brimming with ideas, saw an opportunity to harness this new power to tackle an age-old problem, the oppressive heat. Now, Wheeler wasn't the first to dabble in the world of electric fans. In fact, the concept of using a fan to cool off had been around for centuries, with ancient Egyptians employing large palm fronds and even mechanized contraptions driven by servants or animals. But it was Wheeler who took the leap from manual to electric. He designed a small, efficient motor that could drive a fan blade, creating a refreshing breeze with the mere flip of a switch. Imagine the scene. Wheeler, surrounded by wires, metal parts, and blueprints, finally assembles his prototype. He flips the switch, and for the first time, a steady, reliable breeze flows from an electric desk fan. The air moves, and a moment of cool relief spreads across the room. It was a revelation. This modest contraption, perched on a desk, had the power to transform the stifling summer air into a comfortable environment. But the journey of the desk fan didn't stop there. As word of Wheeler's invention spread, it caught the attention of the engineers at the Crocker and Curtis Electric Motor Company. They saw the potential in Wheeler's design and began producing electric desk fans for the masses. The early models were simple, with exposed blades and basic controls, but they were a game changer for households and workplaces alike. Fast forward a few years, and innovation continued to drive the evolution of the desk fan. By the early 20th century, companies like General Electric and Westinghouse had entered the scene, refining and improving the design. Safety cages were added to protect curious fingers from the whirling blades, and oscillating mechanisms allowed the fans to sweep the room with cool air, making them even more effective. These early desk fans became symbols of progress and modernity. They were found in offices, where workers toiled away in relative comfort, and in homes, where families could escape the relentless summer heat. The desk fan was no longer just a convenience, it was a necessity. As the decades rolled on, the humble desk fan continued to evolve. Materials changed, from the heavy metal frames of the early models to the sleek plastic designs of the mid-20th century. The advent of air conditioning may have shifted some of the spotlight away, but desk fans retained their place as an essential tool for personal comfort. Today, the desk fan is a marvel of modern engineering. Whisper-quiet motors, bladeless designs, and smart features like remote controls and programmable settings have brought us a long way from Wheeler's original invention. Yet, the essence remains the same: a simple, effective way to beat the heat. The next time you feel that refreshing breeze from your desk fan, take a moment to remember the journey it took to get here. From the inventive mind of Schuyler Skaats Wheeler to the innovative engineers who followed, the desk fan stands as a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of comfort. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I invite you to enjoy the cool breeze and the story behind it. Your support is greatly appreciated. Please subscribe for a continuous supply of knowledge. Thank you.